Welcome to Limb Lab, an independently owned and operated prosthetic and orthotic company. When you first come to Limb Lab, one of the most important things we ask each person we encounter is, what do you want to do? It's a simple question, but the answer, whatever it might be, helps us plan, set mutual goals, and tailor a unique course of action for each and every client. It's the beginning of what will come next. At Limb Lab, we thrive on artistry and innovation, striving to always create the right tool and the right bond between people and devices, between clinicians and clients, and always between purpose and profession. The bond is everything. It's either there or it's not. There is no in between. And when the bond is right, you can feel it. It's seamless. You and the device become one, with collective effort and combined strength. Everything fits, falls into place. There is harmony, balance, fluidity, precision, perfection. It all just works, and anything is possible. So whether this is your first time or an experienced wearer looking for more function, we are here to help you every step of the way. Welcome to Limb Lab. What do you want to do?